Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with this hair transformation from Philip Wolf and Alfredo Lewis. So they're doing some color here for this one. So initially she does have this like pretty purple hair color, but she ends up getting this really pretty custom mix of like a beige blonde platinum combo. It's a really pretty unique color. So there is the before, and there is the after. I absolutely adore the way that her hair came out. And this is actually one of my favorite short hair influencers to follow. She does a lot of really cute, spunky hairstyles. Perfect for if you are currently rocking out shorter hair. So next up we have another pixie hairstyle. Now the stylist is doing more of a traditional Peter Pan cut here. Her hair is very thick, so the style is very voluminous. She also has some face framing bangs here. Beautiful, lots of texture. Overall, gorgeous pixie. So here we have someone with a shoulder length hair. Ooh, love the way that that turned out. Followed by another hair color change with this bob. She also has that beige blonde color. And then we see another transformation here into this blonde bob. So if you're looking for just a fun way to add some spice into your hair, color is definitely the way to do it. We're seeing a lot of reds this season. Here we have this gorgeous red asymmetrical pixie look. I absolutely love this color. And then here we have someone with shoulder length hair. And she decides to spice things up with this beautiful orangey coloring. She does have the darker roots here, kind of giving us that ombre vibe. And then we have another platinum bright blonde pixie style. Boy cut shape pixie. And then we move right into the next one. So this one is also going to feature a color change, doing more of a silver here. Followed by a pixie bob variation. I love the feathered bangs, gorgeous color work throughout. So simple and chic. So let us know in the comments below, which hairstyles are you going to be trying out this fall and winter season. There's so many different ideas that you can play around with. And like I said, if you are looking for just a simple way to shake up some boring strands, color is definitely the way to go. Here we have someone going with a color refresh of their blonde. And she also has a pixie. Stylist gives us the color formula that she is using for this look. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed taking a look at all of these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.